I'm going to show you how to use this effectively with no weights at all.
Let's go.
Hey there, this is Coach Chris Wilson here in the compound, and I want to show you a really cool barbell conditioning complex using no weight at all. That's right, just the barbell itself. So just a standard Olympic bar with 45 pounds of weight is enough to get the job done. And for a lot of people, I know barbell training can be a cross between intimidating, or they feel like they need to use a substantial amount of weight to get and have an effective workout. When you do a complex where your goal, your end game is not necessarily 1 rep max strength, but more of an impact on fat metabolism, on overall total body strength, on your conditioning, and on anabolic response, you can actually really effectively use a barbell with no weight on it if you do these movements that you're going to see in this complex. Now, the way I'm putting this together, there's a lot of different ways to do a complex. A complex is simply a combination of movements structured together where you don't put the weight down in between. So once the bar comes off the ground, you're going to go through a series of exercises. It could be just 2 things, it could be 3, it could be 4, it could be 5. In this workout, I'm going to show you 5 movements strung together. I'm going to do 10 reps at each movement. So that's 50 reps without putting the bar down, but you're transitioning the bar to different points on the body, different places on the body, targeting different muscle groups. But because these are compound exercises, you're working all the muscles of the body. The body's a chain, you're connected from head to toe. So that's what we're doing. We're connecting everything together. And what this does is it creates just a really terrific response for your heart health, for muscle imbalance, for again, boosting fat metabolism and stuff. You're going to burn a lot of calories doing exercises like this. Helps muscle stamina, strength endurance, things like that. Because over time, you get really good at doing it with just the bar. Then you could start to add a little bit of weight, maybe start to decrease reps, but still going through, all these different exercises. Now, I want to go through these, where you're going to see the first rep pretty slowly, and then you're going to see the rest of the reps in real time, okay? So I'm not going to really coach you through how to do all these exercises. Just watch the video very closely. These are 5 basic exercises. I'm going to start with a stiff leg deadlift. I'm going to transition to a bent over row. I'm then going to move the bar up to the top of the chest, below the neck, and do an overhead press. I'm going to then position the bar on my upper back and do back squats. And then I'm going to finish with a good morning. So those are the 5 exercises in the exact order that I'm going to do them. Again, I'm going to do 10 reps per exercise, 50 total reps without putting the bar down. Now you can start with less reps. You don't have to do 10, you could do 5, you could do 3. Or if you want to put some weight on the bar, you can put some weight on the bar and do a little bit less reps. And then, you're talking about a full body workout. This one gets the job done. Now, before I show you what the complex looks like, there's a really, really great way to naturally improve testosterone production in your body. It's called 24-Hour Testosterone Fix. It's our program that we put together. It's a reset for your body. For you men out there who want to boost your testosterone and start to take control of your life and naturally change things and improve things and work things in your favor when it comes to hormone production, you got to check this program out. It's in the pinned comment below, 24-Hour Testosterone Fix. It's a blueprint to help you naturally fix your testosterone. Please give that program a look. I think you'll really like what you see. Okay, so let's get to the complex. it, an amazing barbell complex. I really think if you give that one a try, you'll love it. It's not intimidating. There's no weight on the bar, but you certainly can play with the reps. You can put a little bit of weight on there as you get better at it, but stay with light to moderate loads. Hey, be sure to give this video a great big thumbs up, subscribe to the Criticalbench YouTube channel, leave a comment or question for me. I read them, I respond to them, and we love to hear from you. And don't forget, the 24-hour testosterone fix is in the pinned comment below. I'd really love you to take a moment and read a little bit about that to fix your testosterone naturally. We'll see you in the next video.